If you want to get a spoofer, a joystick, and more in Pokemon Go, then watch this video until the end and I'll show you how to do it. This was Polk and Enjoy the iOS, and this is how the game is going to look like. You're going to have a joystick, a spoofer, location changer, and all these other features. If you are on an iPhone though, you need to change a couple of settings on your phone to prepare it for the installation. If you're on Android, simply skip to the part where I open the browser and show you where to get the app. For iPhone users, first you need to go to Settings, and then you need to scroll down until you find the General Settings. And then again, once you are on General, you need to go ahead and find Background App Refresh and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on. In my case, it's on already, but if it's off for you, let me show you. Let me turn it off real quick. If it sets off like this, then you need to simply tap on it. And then once you do tap on it, you need to tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data, and that's going to turn Background App Refresh on. This is the first setting that you need to change. Once you're done with that, you need to go back to your main settings and then find the battery tab. Then you need to make sure that low power mode is turned off the same way as it is here. If low power mode is on, you need to simply tap on this handle and that's going to turn low power mode off. And this is the second and the last setting that you need to change to install the modified version of Pokemon Go with the spoofer and the joystick. Now let me show you how to get the app. You need to open your browser, just like this. Let me go on and open it. And then you need to go to this website, which is yoplugin.com. So yoplugin.com is the website that you need to go. It's also at the browser here at the top. Now to find the Pokemon Go Spoofer, you can either scroll down until you find the game, or you can just use the search bar at the top. If you start typing Pokemon, you're gonna see that Pokemon Go is gonna show up like this. Now to install it, you need to tap on it, and that's gonna open the installation window. Here you need to tap on the Start Installation, and that's going to start downloading, installing the plugin that gives you the spoofer and the joystick in the game. If you are on iOS and Android, there will be some times that it might ask you to complete some extra steps to get the spoofer and the joystick. If that happens, simply follow the steps because they are very well explained, and as soon as you do, as soon as you're done with the extra steps, then you'll be able to get the spoofer and the joystick. But that's not always the case. Sometimes it's going to be installed instantly. But as I said, if it actually asks you to complete some extra steps, simply go ahead and complete them. And as soon as you do, you're going to get the modified version of the game on your phone. You're going to have the spoofer, the joystick, and more. So yeah, once you're done with everything, once you've completed all the steps required, then you can go back to Pokemon Go and you're gonna see the spoofer and the joystick and more. So thank you for watching, and share this with your friends so they can also get this modified version of Pokemon Go with spoofer and joystick and more.